Hey friends, so today we're going to talk about something really amazing, and that is chiropractic's role in pregnancy. So having a natural and holistic pregnancy is one of the things that I advocate so strongly for all women. And I have been certified 3 times with Webster Technique. I've been practicing 30 years, and I love taking care of pregnant women, and I see a lot of them. In fact, we help women who are trying to get pregnant, hey Maxine, and their husbands to improve their fertility naturally. And I'm not saying we're fertility specialists. I'm saying that when the nervous system is working better, everything works better, including the ability for your body to produce a healthy egg and sperm, okay? So the best time to start chiropractic, ideally, is for the man and the woman who are looking to have babies to start before they get pregnant. And that way you're going to produce the highest quality sperm and egg. So then a lot of women love to get adjusted throughout their pregnancy, and it's probably one of the most important times to get adjusted. And let me tell you why. This is your spine, and the nerves in your spine control everything. Your nervous system is the most important part of your body, and so it controls all your organ functions. Guess what is the organ of pregnancy? Your uterus. So if the nerves to your uterus, which are coming out of this lower part of your spine, are not flowing well, then you won't be able to have good uterus expansion, as well as the joints in your uterus need to be able to move very easily. So if there's a problem in the joints of your spine, the lower part of your spine, your pelvis won't be able to expand properly to allow for the baby to grow and expand and develop the way it needs to. So having good mobility in your lower spine and allowing for the baby to expand, to grow, and for the uterus to expand, and for the baby to get into the proper position is really crucial for a healthy pregnancy. You want everything to be symmetrical so that the baby doesn't get crushed in a weird position. And it really is a very gentle technique that we do for pregnant women, and it's very calming, because when you're pregnant you want to be very calm so that your nervous system isn't overstimulated and you're not in a state of fight or flight, because then you won't be able to have a good pregnancy and the baby won't be happy and relaxed as it's developing, and that's really vital. You know, a lot of the medical profession are calling pregnancy a condition, but it's actually a normal state of being, and without pregnancy we wouldn't continue as a race. So every mammal is born through the birth canal, but our species is starting to have a lot of C-sections, and that's one of the things that we try to prevent with chiropractic, because we want you to have your baby the way you were designed to have it. When the baby comes out of the birth canal, the cranial bones get kind of pushed together, which stimulates brain function, and it also pushes the fluids out of the lungs so the baby can breathe really easily as they're being born. And that's also getting the microbiome of the vagina so that it's getting all those good bacteria as it's coming through the birth canal. These are 3 very vital things for the baby to get. In addition, the mother is having a much less painful delivery and pregnancy. In fact, she's having a really beautiful pregnancy and hopefully a beautiful delivery. And I do help guide a lot with diet, and I recommend specific exercises for the mom and the dad to do together, and specific childbirth classes. And I actually have a team, and we're going to have a class coming up in July for pregnancy, and I'm teaming up with a beautiful doula that is my patient, and we're going to do amazing things to help women that are thinking about pregnancy or are pregnancy have the best possible experience, because it's actually was my favorite time was being pregnant in my life. I had 3 beautiful children, completely natural, and I want to give a big shout out to my husband Warren, because he's my baby daddy, And it's his birthday today, and Maxine, his mom, is on right now, and I know she's really happy I'm mentioning him. So on so many levels, getting chiropractic through your pregnancy and before your pregnancy, and even after, it helps your recovery, as you know, because that's a pretty traumatic thing for the mom to go through, as well as the baby. When the baby comes through the birth canal, or even if it's a C-section, you know, it's a lot of stress on the spine, and we always want to make sure there's good nerve flow coming through all those little tiny vertebrae. Everything's nice and aligned and symmetrical and moving beautifully, super gentle. Trust me, women and pregnancy and babies and chiropractic are a perfect combination. I have here my pregnancy totem. We are always rubbing this. It's very good luck. Someone gifted this to us. And so I really urge you, if you know someone that's thinking about getting pregnant or is pregnant, to look for chiropractic, and someone that's really experienced, that loves taking care of pregnant women. And that's what I am really passionate about. So thank you for listening. I hope you learned a lot, and I hope this inspires you to get chiropractic or share it with someone who really could benefit. Thanks, and have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.